May,
Mo,
mo,
me,
may.
mu.
Well done, moo. Margaret, kindly the last line.
Me,
Me,
mo,
so when the dot's in the middle, it makes the oo sound.
mu,
Moo, good.
ma,
One more try.
me,
Me, well done.
may.
Well done, May. Let's take a look at the final mem. So the final mem only occurs at the end of words. And it's going to confuse us for a while because it looks a lot like a samech. It looks like a lot like a regular mem. It looks like, I don't know, why don't we all take a look together at the final mem compared to some of the other letters in the alphabet and see if we can come up with some strategies. Here's the mem and here's the final mem.
Mm-hmm.
And here's a tet that looks like the mem, and then here's a samech. Let's try and compare the samech and the final mem. Joseph, how would you tell the difference between a final mem and a samech?
Samech has a smooth edge at the bottom, to the bottom right,
Okay.
while the mem has a sharp edge at the bottom right.
Very good. And the sides of the final mem are also mostly straight.
Yes.
And the sides of the samech are a nice curve, an elliptical shape, almost like an oval. Well, that'll give us a start. Okay, let's try a few final mem practices. I'll start us off and everybody can repeat after me. Aim.
M.
Good. Im. Good. Joseph, could you lead the next line, please?
Om.
Im.
Om.
Good. Margaret, could you take line 3 kindly? Close. This is the oo when it's in the middle there. Well done. Good. Well done. Maria, could you try the next line, please? Anybody want to help Maria with the first one?
M.
Aim. Okay, good. Go on. Well done. Aim. Good. I'll take the last one. Im. Im. Aim. Well done. Okay, so final mem isn't too hard to integrate into our alphabet knowledge. It'll just take a little bit of getting used to. The final mem is also an indicator of the plural. So in a lesson coming up, we're going to review some of these endings, which will help us to detect the singular and plural forms of nouns. Singular of a noun is house, plural of a noun is houses, deck, decks. I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there, which will be pretty soon. But the final mem will be a sign of the plural. Let's jump into some reading practice. We'll just warm up with something pretty straightforward. Yeah. Joseph, could you lead us in line 6, please?
Yes. Add.
Am I sharing? Oz, that's a Zion.
As.
Good, Oz.
Is.
Gaze.
Sorry, gaze.
Right.
Buzz.
Buzz.
Gaze.
Gaze.
Guz.
Gauze.
Gaze.
Well done.
Has.
Has. Nice. And lately?
Gaze.
Gaze. Well done. Margaret, could you try line 6 as well, kindly? Line 6 again.
As.
All right, nice. As.
Gaze.
Gaze.
Remind me the first letter.
Bet.
Buzz.
Nice. Buzz. Continue.
Gaze.
Gaze.
Gaz.
Gauze.
Gaze.
Gaze. Right.
Gaze.
Good. Next.
Che.
That's the chet.
Oh, has.
Has. And lastly.
Gaze.
Good. Maria, could you take a turn at line 7, please? Do you remember this one, this letter?
No, I don't remember those.
That's the vet. I mean the vav, the V sound, the vav.
Da.
Anyone want to help Maria with the first one?
They.
They. Okay. Next.
Va.
Look at your vowel carefully. You know the segol makes the S sound.
Very.
I don't remember.
Oh, okay. Anybody want to help Maria with that one?
They.
The.
Yeah.
Next one.
Vo.
Okay. Okay. I got the idea. We'll do some review on our own of the vowels, Maria, to get you confident with the vowels. It seems like we just need to do what?
I have a hard time remembering. I mean, like.
I understand. So let's work on that and see what we can do, and just have reasonable expectations. No problem. You know how happy we are to have you here and helping us work on this Hebrew. So don't despair. All is well. Let's move on to a more advanced sheet. Margaret, these are the Chaf Sophites in line. Oh, let me share. In line 5, we have this final Chaf. So we have La,
Lach,
La.
Lach,
La,
La.
Lach, good. La,
La.
good. Lach,
La.
good. La,
La.
Lach,
La.
good. Nice Chaf Sophie, Maria. Listen carefully. Malach.
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 That means angel, Malach. You want to try it, Margaret? Malach.
Malacha.
Nice. And this is also an together, Malach.
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 Malacha.
Good, very nice. Let's go down a little ways and let Joseph have some practice. Joseph, kindly line 10.
Yimloch.
Yimloch. Next, very good.
Vayelech.
Nice. And the tsere is a very strong, powerful, short vowel. It always wants the accent. So when you see a tsere,
Vayelech.
submit to its power. Yep. And he went. Next one.
Yimloch.
Yimloch, exactly. We say bidyuk. In Hebrew, we say bidyuk, means exactly right. Next one.
No.
Melech, well done. You remembered the accent correctly. When we have two segels next to each other, the first one takes the accent, Melech. That means king. Next one.
Lech.
Lech. And finally,
Lecha.
well done. Together, Lech.
Lech.
Nice. Together, Lecha.
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 Nice. Very nice. Well done.